Welcome to JF Auto, your go-to place for everything on wheels. If you love cars and want the latest updates, make sure to subscribe and stay tuned. Today, we are diving into the future of electric mobility with the Volkswagen ID.2. This is Volkswagen's game-changing compact EV designed to bring electric driving to the masses at an affordable price. Volkswagen has been making waves in the electric vehicle market with its ID series, and the ID.2 is no exception. Positioned as an entry-level EV, the ID.2 is expected to be one of the most budget-friendly electric cars from Volkswagen. Built on the MEB platform, it promises a perfect balance of efficiency, performance, and practicality. The ID.2 is set to feature a front-wheel drive setup, a first for the ID lineup. With a projected range of around 280 miles on a single charge, it ensures you won't have to worry about frequent stops for charging. Volkswagen is also equipping it with fast charging capabilities, allowing it to reach 80% charge in under 30 minutes. Inside, the ID.2 boasts a minimalist yet functional cabin. Expect a digital instrument cluster, a large touchscreen infotainment system, and smart connectivity features that keep you in control at all times. Volkswagen aims to provide a spacious interior despite its compact size, making it a practical choice for urban commuting and road trips alike. When it comes to performance, the ID.2 is expected to have around 220 horsepower, making it both efficient and fun to drive. It will also come with the latest driver assistance systems, ensuring safety and convenience on every journey. Volkswagen plans to launch the ID.2 at an estimated starting price of around €25,000, making it one of the most affordable electric cars in its segment. With sustainability, affordability, and practicality at its core, this EV is set to make electric driving more accessible than ever. That's all for today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to JF Auto for more updates on the latest cars. See you in the next video.